Which kit is the most classic? You can now vote on the kit to be inducted into the Photo and Video Kit Hall of Fame. Here are the 5 nominees in the classic category. First, this camera captures some of the most important world events of the last 15 years, the Canon 5D Mark III. Next up, this DSLR is arguably the most influential camera ever made, the Nikon D750. Third, this full-frame mirrorless is loved by fleet-footed photographers around the world. It's the Sony A7R II. Fourth, we have the essential Canon all-round prime lens, the Canon 35mm f1.4. And finally, with its fast autofocus, its image stabilization and weather sealing, it's the Sony 24-105. So which kit will you vote for? Vote now at kithalloffame.com.